Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So as you guys saw, I already worked out this morning, ate breakfast, did my skincare routine. So yeah, and I'm just gonna get ready for the day. So the first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair. I just washed it last night, so this is just like air dried. I'll show you. This is what it is, air dried. I didn't even brush it this morning, so I'm gonna brush it and then just see what I'm dealing with today, and then I might just pass the straightener through my hair, not sure yet, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make it look somewhat presentable because I'm taking pics today. So that's that. And then yeah, I feel like we have a fun day planned today. My mom and I are gonna go out on the town and we're gonna go, you know, window shopping. We're gonna probably have some lunch and just hang out, just the two of us, so that'll be super fun. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, do this hair, do my makeup, and I'll see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so I just ended up getting ready. So I just straightened my hair really quick. My hair is so long. I can't even remember the last time I had it this long, but yeah, super cute, sleek. And then this is my little OOTD, just like this cute little top from Forever 21, this little mini from Zara, and then my shoes from Steve Madden. Super cute and like girly. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and head out and I'll see you on the bit. My mom and I went out for like a gal's afternoon or like a gal's day, and we ended up getting stuck in the rain. So yeah, my hair ended up getting a little bit frizzy, and we're like hot because it's humid. So where we were, it was raining, so we are now gonna go to another place to see and just hang out, grab like a little treat like coffee or like a little dessert or something. And then yeah, so we did ended up going to this cute little place. I'll try to insert some photos here. It was so cute. I absolutely loved the aesthetic, the brick walls. It was so pretty. All right guys, so I'll see you at our next destination. Okay guys, we made it to our second destination, and it is Celebration, Florida, right next to Disney. So I'm just fixing up my hair a little bit because it looks so crazy because of the frizz, because we got caught in the rain. I have my mask, gonna just pop that on, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our food or our little treat. All right, looking good. All right guys, see ya in a bit. Hi guys, so we just ended up going to this cute little place that had macaroons. So we got a couple. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got a little box of 6. So 3 each. Let me just flip the camera over and show you what we got. Okay, these are so yummy. So the first one is like a lavender one, then it's a lemon, 2 raspberry, red velvet, and then salted caramel. And then my mom and I ended up getting drinks. So my drink is a lavender vanilla latte, and my mom got a spiced iced latte. So yeah. So we're gonna be sitting out here enjoying our little treat because we can't sit inside because of what's going on. So we're just gonna sit out here, enjoy this gorgeous view, and I'll see you all in a bit. Hi guys, so my mom and I just got done visiting Celebration, Florida. It was so cute, small little town. There was literally nobody here, so it was nice. We ended up walking around a little bit without masks, which was nice because it is so humid. And then as you guys saw, we got macaroons and lattes. My vanilla lavender latte is so good. I'm still drinking that right now. And yeah, we had a nice little gals afternoon, super cute fun. We walked around as much as we could because this Florida humidity is rough. So yeah, now we're headed home. We're gonna go check on the boys, have dinner, and then I'm gonna get my nails done. Well, I'm doing them myself. And then maybe watch a movie, hang out, and yeah. All right guys, I will see you all later. Hi guys, so we just got home. I ended up changing into the super comfy DIY tie-dye tee that I did. So if you want to see that, I'll link the video down below for you guys. But yeah, so now we're getting ready. We're gonna take the pups out for their evening walk, and then we're gonna go ahead and make dinner. All right guys, so I'll see you all in a little bit. Hey guys, so Steve and I are in the car and we're on our way to Publix. We're gonna grab a couple things to munch on for snacks. So we're getting chips. What else are we getting? Cookies. I don't want cookies, I just want chips because we have salsa, homemade salsa at home, and I really want that with chips. So that's gonna be on my list, and then Steve will get whatever he wants from his list. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and head to Publix and let you know what we get. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you a couple things that we ended up picking up. So like I said, I went in for chips. So I got the Tostitos Original Restaurant Style. These are so good for salsa. And we also got Scoops Party Size chips, super yummy. And then Steve ended up picking up, sorry, he's being so loud. Steve ended up picking up some cookies. These are chocolate chip and sugar cookies. We've been watching the OC and they eat frosted little wheat cereal, so we really wanted it. So we ended up picking up this cereal, and then Steve loves honey bunches of oats, so he picked up these. This is the almond one. You can see it there. And then we always look at the 2-for-1 or like buy one, get one free section. So they were having like the fruit snacks in promotion or on promotion. So we got the berries and cherries and the island fruits, super yummy. And then we ended up picking up some shredded Parmesan cheese for tonight's dinner. So we're gonna go ahead and get dinner started, and we're gonna show you what we make. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later. We just got done eating dinner and now I'm just doing my nails. So I have like all my nail stuff like set up over here. So I started like filing my nails just to kind of get like the gel that's in there kind of like off. And then I found this on Amazon. It's called the Magic Remover. I used it last time I did my nails and it works pretty well. So you're supposed to just put some on your nail, leave it on for like, I don't know, 5-ish minutes, and the previous gel that's on your nail already is supposed to like chip off. So yeah, it worked really well last time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some to my nails, do my nails, and then I'll show you the end product. So yeah. Okay, so I just finished my one set of nails. I don't know if you can tell. I did like a light mauve-y kind of color. And I filed them super short. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and do this hand really quick. And then I'll show you everything. I also did my toes and my fingernails. One more hand to go. Hi guys, so I just got done doing my nails. This is what they look like. I think they came out pretty decent for like doing them myself. So yeah, now it's like I think almost midnight, so I'm gonna go ahead, take off my makeup and hit the hay. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.